Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2021 SHERCO SE125 factory with only 136 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with Pro Carbon pipe guard, Sicra full handguards, and aluminum radiator guards. Lightweight and agile, the SHERCO SE125 was built to excel off-road and can tackle anything you throw at it. Powered by a single-cylinder 124cc engine, the SE125 puts impressive power through a 6-speed transmission. With Brembo brakes, KYB suspension, and high-strength steel chassis, the SE125 is extremely durable. It has a 37.4-inch seat height and a dry weight of 148 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.